Hey guys, today we'll start with a new method in sets, that is copy method. Let's understand what copy method does is it is used to create a shallow copy of the set. So if you want to have a brief idea of what is shallow copy and deep copy, you can check my previous videos on it. So this means that it returns a new set that contains all elements of the original set, but is a distinct object. Yeah. So the elements themselves are not copied, which means if the elements are mutable objects, then the changes to these objects will be reflected in both the original and copied set. Yeah. So that's the main concept of shallow copy, wherein if you make any changes in one of the set, it would get reflected on in either of the sets. So that's the shallow copy. Usually syntax of copy method is you need to specify the set name. Yeah, that's the original set name. I specify it as original set name. Yeah, dot copy. And you do not need to pass on any parameter because it does not take any parameter. It will simply copy this new set. Yeah. But the memory address would be the same. Now, what happens in the shallow copy? That's the main concept of shallow copy. So let's try to understand it with an example. Let's try to understand a basic example of copy copying a set using copy method. Yeah. So I have the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And I'm using this my set to copy it to a new set. This copied set. Yeah. And then we'll see the original set, that is my set, and copied set as well. So we'll see the my set, yeah, which is my original set, yes. And another one is your copied set. Yes. So this is your copied set. Yeah. We can also verify whether my original set is a copied set. Yeah. To verify that both the sets are distinct. What we can do is we can also check it by saying print my my set is my set is copied set. So it should give true if it is the same. Yeah. So what we are doing here is we are very fine that the sets are distinct. So if the sets are distinct, it will give you the output as false. Yeah. So let's see. What I've done is I've created a set. Then I have copied the set to a new variable, and we have printed the original set and the copied set. And we have checked whether both the sets are distinct. It has said false. So both the sets are not distinct. They are the same. Yeah. what we can do is we need to understand that in sets, copy method applies the shallow copy, which means the changes in the copy set will not apply to the original set. This example creates a set of tuple. Now let's try to have an example where we try to create a set first. So let me first create a set. I have this set, yeah. And suppose I have a tuple here. So I make 3 and 4 as a tuple. Yes, I make this as tuple. So I have 1, 2, and the second element, second index element is a tuple with the value as 3 and 4 in its element. Now what I'm trying to do is I will copy this set. Yes, I'm copying this set to an original set, and let's see whether it is able to create a copy. Yeah, this is a simple thing which we did earlier, but we added a tuple here, so it is creating a copy. So we have understood about it. Yeah. Now let's verify the sets whether the both the sets are unique. Yeah. So what I'm doing is let me have it in one command. So I have to verify that both the sets are original. So I need to check with verify that both sets are distinct. So it should be not, because both the sets are a shallow copy. Yeah. So here we got the output as well. Now we modify the tuple inside the copied set. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to remove this tuple from here, from the copied set, sorry, not from the original set. And we are trying to, so what I'll do is I'll say copied set dot remove, yeah, and I'll remove the tuple which I have added, which is 3, 4. Perfect. So I'm removing this tuple from the set. Yeah. And let's print the copied set now. Print copied and original set. Let's see what happens. So we can see here, now the original set is 3, 4. It has the tuple 3, 4, whereas the copied set does not have it, because we have removed it. Since the both are a different entity altogether. Yeah. Now if I try to add, okay, this time I'll try to add some other tuple in the same copied set. So I am adding 6, 7, yeah, in the copied set. So let's see what happens. Okay, have I missed anything? Okay, I need to add. Okay, I cannot remove. Remove will give an error because it does not exist, right? You need to see my previous videos on remove to check what happens. Why did we get this key error? So we are trying to add 6, 7 as a tuple, and we can see now the copied tuple has a new copied set has a new tuple which is 6, 7. Yes. So we need to check, and I'll check again whether both the sets are equal. So to check if both the sets are equal, what I can do is my set equals to copied set. Are those equal? It will give me false. Okay. Equal, okay, not double equals to. I'm not, equal is to assignment operator. Double equals to is equal to check. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, let me phrase this entire thing. So what we are doing is we have created a set. Yes. We copied the set. Yes. We check whether it is distinct. Yeah. So it gave me false. It has, they are different sets altogether. We have removed one tuple from the copied set and we added one new tuple to the copied set. Yeah. And we printed both the sets again. Now you can see by doing a copy and changing the copied set does not affect my original set. Yeah. So the copy method applies the shallow copy, which means the changes in the copied set will not be applied to the original set. Yeah. And in this example, we saw that we created a tuple of 3 and 4. We removed it. We added a new tuple, but it did not affect our original tuple at all. Yeah. So you need to remember this. Okay. Now we can check whether the elements are mutable and the mutability is shared between the original and the copied set. Yeah. How we can check that? Let's try it with another example. Yeah. What we can do here is we'll create our original set, which was this one, that is my set. We'll create a copied set and we'll create a copied set once again with the tuple. So I have this set with the tuple 3, 4. Yeah. And I copied this set. As regularly we did this. Again, we'll check whether both the sets are distinct by having a statement. So this is false. We have our original sets. Oh, I need to print the, yeah. So these steps are same. We created two sets. We created one set. We copied the set to an copied set, and then we check whether both are distinct or not. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add certain elements. Yeah. I'm not changing anything else, but I'm adding an element. Yeah. To the copied set. So what I'll do is I'll use the same tuple, that is 6 and 7, to be added in this particular set. So I'll say copied set dot add. Yeah. 6 and 7. And let's see after adding what is the set. Yeah. So there is a new entity which has got added, that is 6, 7. Yeah. So I've added a new tuple which has got added in the copied set automatically, and we have the new set. Same way, I can remove 3, 5, 4, which is one of the tuple, and we'll check the. So you can see both the sets are mutable and we can have our own. I have removed 3, 4. Oh, I have added. I'm really very sorry. So I have to remove. Yeah. Remove 3, 4 from copied set. So it will remove it. Yeah. So this way I can add, remove, yeah, sets or elements within the sets. Yeah. Or I can copy the elements and use it or comprehend it for my data analysis as in how I want it. So that shows that that sets are mutable, and it does not share the mutability between the two sets. So if one is edited or updated, it will not update the other sets. Yeah. So I guess you understood the concepts on how copy method could be used in sets. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment. Do not forget that to comment on this videos if you have any good suggestions or ideas on this particular example, or if you want to improve this video and you have a comment. Yeah. Uh, Always go ahead and subscribe to my channel to get such informative video on your inbox. Thank you so much.